If you've been thinking about investing but don't know where to start, you've probably asked questions like, how much money do I need to begin? What's the best investment strategy in 2025? Is it too late for me to start? You're not alone. Most beginners feel overwhelmed, but here's the truth. 2025 is one of the best times to start investing, whether you have $50 or $5,000. In this complete guide, I'm going to break it all down for you in simple steps. No jargon, no complicated charts, just a clear, practical roadmap to start investing the smart way this year. By the end of this video, you'll know why investing is no longer optional. It's essential. The best beginner-friendly investment options for 2025. How to start with as little as $50. The mistakes most beginners make, and how to avoid them. A proven plan for building wealth step by step. This isn't theory. These are strategies that actually work and can change your financial future forever. Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we teach you how to achieve financial freedom with smart money habits and investing strategies that really work. Subscribe and join the movement toward financial independence. Let's dive in. Why investing in 2025 is non-negotiable. The financial world is changing faster than ever. If you rely on just saving cash, you're falling behind, fast. Here's why. Inflation is real. Prices are climbing every year. If your money is sitting in a savings account earning 0.5%, and inflation is 3 to 5%, you're losing purchasing power every single day. Traditional security is disappearing. Pensions? Rare. Job security? Uncertain. If you want a secure financial future, you need to create it yourself, and that means investing. Technology has leveled the playing field. 20 years ago, you needed thousands to start investing. Today, you can start with $5 using apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. If you're not investing, you're guaranteeing one thing: your money will never grow. The myths that keep people stuck. Before we go deeper, let's crush some dangerous myths about investing. Myth number 1, you need a lot of money to start. Reality, you can start with $10 thanks to fractional shares and no-fee platforms. Myth number 2, investing is gambling. Reality, gambling is guessing. Investing is a calculated strategy based on data and time-tested principles. Myth number 3, you need to time the market. Reality, nobody, not even the pros, can consistently predict short-term movements. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. The Beginner's Guide to Investing in 2025. Step by step, here's the roadmap we'll cover. Build your financial foundation. Understand your investment options. Set your investment goals. Choose the right account. Pick your first investments. Automate and stay consistent. Scale and diversify over time. Step 1. Build your foundation. Before you invest, get your financial house in order. Why? Because investing without a safety net is like building a house on sand. Here's your foundation checklist. Emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Debt check. Pay off high-interest debt, credit cards, payday loans, before investing. Why? If you're paying 20% interest on debt, and investments return 8%, you're losing money. Once your foundation is solid, you're ready to invest. Step 2. Understand your investment options. Here's what you need to know in 2025. 1. Stocks. Shares of companies. High growth potential, higher volatility. 2. Index funds and ETFs. Bundles of stocks you buy all at once. Low cost, highly diversified, and beginner friendly. S&P 500 ETF owns 500 top US companies. Total Market ETF. Covers the entire US market. 3. Bonds. Lower risk, lower return. Great for balance in long-term portfolios. 4. Real estate. Not just buying houses, REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in property without being a landlord. 5. Alternative assets. Crypto, commodities, collectibles. High risk, only after you've built a strong foundation. Step 3. Define your goals. Ask yourself, are you investing for retirement? 20 to 30 years. A big purchase in 5 to 10 years? Building wealth for financial independence? Your time horizon determines your risk tolerance. Short term, 1 to 3 years. Stick to safe investments like high yield savings or bonds. Long term, 10 plus years. Stocks and ETFs are your best friend. Step 4. Choose the right account. This matters for taxes and flexibility. Your options. Brokerage account, for general investing. No tax benefits, but flexible. Roth IRA, tax-free growth for retirement. Perfect for beginners. 401k, if your employer offers matching contributions, take full advantage, it's free money. Step 5. Pick your first investments. The best beginner portfolio is simple and powerful. 80% in a US total market ETF, VTI, 20% in an international ETF, VXUS. Why? It gives you exposure to thousands of companies worldwide. Don't want to manage allocations? Use a target date retirement fund, it adjusts for you as you age. Step 6. Automate and stay consistent. The secret to investing success isn't timing, it's consistency. Set up automatic transfers. Even $50 per month adds up, thanks to compounding. Step 7. Scale and diversify. Once you've mastered the basics, increase contributions as your income grows. Add dividend-paying stocks for passive income. Explore real estate or side hustles to boost investing power. The power of compounding, your wealth multiplier. Let's do the math. Invest $100 per month at 8% return. After 10 years, $18,000. After 20 years, $55,000. After 30 years, $135,000. Double that to $200 per month? Nearly $270,000 in 30 years. That's why starting now matters. Mistakes beginners make. Investing without an emergency fund. Putting all money in one stock. Panicking during market dips and selling at a loss. Chasing trends like meme stocks or speculative crypto. What's new in 2025 for investors? Zero commission trading, more money stays in your account. AI-powered robo-advisors, automate investing for beginners. Fractional shares, own pieces of Amazon, Tesla, or Apple with as little as $5. Sustainable investing, ESG funds are booming for socially responsible investors. Your 2025 investing action plan. Pay off high interest debt. Save an emergency fund. Open a brokerage or Roth IRA. Start with index funds and ETFs. Automate contributions. Stay consistent for years, not weeks. Final thoughts. Investing in 2025 is not about getting rich overnight, it's about building wealth over time. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need thousands to start. You need a plan, patience, and persistence. Start today, even if it's $20. Because the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is now. If this video gave you value, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset for more practical tips on money, investing, and financial freedom. Your financial future isn't a dream, it's a decision. And that decision starts today.